Okay, Nummer few, Sana.
The answer stayed in nest.
Dative or accusative?
It is accusative.
But stehen, Sana. I did the, yeah.
Dative it is, it will be im.
Yeah, the coat or the suit doesn't pass him. That's stehen is a dative verb, so im. Yeah, right. Revati, Nummer 6, bitte.
Wo ist mein Mann? Wo ist sehen ihn nicht?
Right. Zehen is again an accusative verb. In that case, agar aapko pata nahi hai, to note it down. Zehen is an accusative verb. So zehen takes accusative. That's why in. Okay, then Nummer 7 nochmals, Ashwin.
Die Stiefel passen ihr nicht.
Right. The boots are not suiting her. That's ear. Yeah, right. Not Z because it's not accusative. That's what. Okay, then Nummer 8, Sana nochmals bitte.
You can say mere helfen, bitte.
Right. Again, it's mere because it's helfen. That's bitter. Great. Now, you have got another exercise, which is the last one for the evening exercise, because after that, we're going to do some words, and then that's the end of A2 for you all, A1 for you all. So, bitte machen Sie Nummer B. Machen Sie Nummer B, Seite Nummer 144, Arbeitsbuch. Ja, 9B. Ashwin, 9B. It's in 144 exercise, 144 page number exercise book. Right? The next question, right below. Question number 9A, so 9B. Good.
Yeah.
So here you have got 3 dialogues to arrange. Right? And you have got some options above, right? For example, dish, dear, s, in, and mere, z. So these are the options that would help you arrange things, because there are 10 blanks and you have got 10 options. Just may say one has been given for you as an example. Wie gefällt Ihnen dieser Pullover? So the first conversation is, how do you like the pullover? So if it is given Ihnen, so you have to understand that this is a formal text given here. So this question or this dialogue is between formal and informal. So that's why the first question has a formal pronoun for you. How do you like the pullover? That's why it's Ihnen. So, ich weiß nicht, I don't know. Nein, der gefällt dash nicht. So the Antwort is, how do you like the pullover? So der gefällt dash nicht. What should be the pronoun? Der gefällt.
Mir.
Mir or dear? Because you need to understand who is telling to what. The question is, how do you like the pullover? So uske answer mein he says, I don't know. Nein, der gefällt dash nicht. So it will be der gefällt. It doesn't. You don't like it, or I don't like it. Yeah. So it's mir. Yeah. It doesn't. I don't like it. Das gefällt mir nicht. Okay. One more thing which I need to explain here before you go ahead. Gefallen is a verb जिसके साथ हम कभी सीधा सेंटेंस नहीं बनाते हैं. मतलब I won't say ich gefalle dear. It's not that. It's not that. Always we make sentence with like this. Das T-shirt gefällt. We always take gefällt mir nicht. So this is how we conjugate gefallen. Das gefällt mir nicht, das gefällt mir. So das gefällt karke we begin the sentence, just for in case. Right now, it's a different verb altogether. It's a different conjugation and it's a different verb altogether. It's a grammar, thoda alag grammar hai. Right now, you have to take care of just one thing. Tabhi ye properly banega. Who is saying to whom? If you can figure this out, then ये बन जाएगा. कौन किसको बोल रहा है? अगर if you can't, then ये थोड़ा tricky लगेगा आपको. So please try to and yeah, the dialogue 1 is different, dialogue 2 is different, number P is different, and dialogue C is different. Yeah, so do not mix, otherwise you won't be able to get the answer. So the second answer is here mir. Die gefällt mir nicht oder der gefällt mir nicht. फिर वो okay, you can see the signs as well, right? There is one circle ka sign. Circle means the Verkäuferin. The black circle means the person who is buying the thing, and there is one triangle. Triangle is a third person. So when the dialogue is given by the third person, please make sure कि वो क्या बोलेगा. Please do. There are three persons talking. The white circle is the Verkäufer or the Verkäuferin, the seller. And the black circle is the person who is buying it. And the last triangle is the other person, maybe a friend. Yeah, so now